What is up, guys? Right behind me is a new Ranger Raptor, and if it doesn't look like this, you're not having fun. This is basically the same as a big Raptor, except smaller. You get Ford stamped in your grille, you have a skid plate underneath, recovery hooks. You also get 33-inch tires, and this has Fox shocks as well as cool graphics, just like the big Raptor. In the back, I get a 5-foot bed with built-in power. I have a ruler that's built into the end of my tailgate, and then to celebrate, I get a bottle opener. The inside feels like a Raptor. It says Raptor right there. You get these heavily bolstered seats that are heated with leather and suede. I get storage space right there, secret storage in there, a giant touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, wireless charging pad, a cup holder for my G Fuel. Use my code BURNOUT for 30% off. I get a fully digital display, metal paddle shifters, and 6 auxiliary switches. If you need grip, you get 4-wheel drive. But if I want to have fun, I can switch to 2-wheel drive. And I get a spot for my fries. Don't believe me? Take a look. See? I told you. If I lift up the seats in the back, I have a little bit of storage space. I have a decent amount of room back here, and if I pull down the armrest, I get cup holders. And it has launch control.